In this video, I'll show you how to edit captions that have been automatically generated in YouTube. The first step is to go to your videos. You can go to Creator Studio and find the video you would like to add or correct the subtitles on. Go right there. Up here you will click on the Subtitle CC tab. There you'll see English Automatic. Those are titles that have been automatically generated by YouTube for your video. Click on that. Now you want to click on the Edit button. That'll let you change what you see here. One issue with the automatically generated titles is that they do not include any punctuation at all, which you will need in order to do audio description later. So we'll start correcting some of that, capitalized sentences, and make things uppercase that should be. You play the video here, and you'll be able to hear the sound.
Hi, I'm Maria Rocha, reporting for Caltrans Newsflash. As you can see, the highways are looking pretty good here in Stockton.
So what you do is you simply play back the video in the window here and check to see.
Reporting for Caltrans Newsflash. As you can see, the highways are looking pretty good here in Stockton.
So where punctuation is required, you go ahead and you just pause it and type that in there.
Caltrans recently formed a litter removal partnership with the City of Stockton, and the city chose the nonprofit Ready to Work as the contractor. This program provides jobs to the homeless and reduces trash fouling area highways. It also frees regular Caltrans workers.
So we go ahead and go through and make our changes. When we're all happy with the changes that we made, you hit Save Changes. And then what that does is it creates a new version of your subtitles so that you have, it just says English, not English Automatic. Once you have that, you can actually go and delete the automatic version. And you do that by hitting Unpublish. Then you hit the back button. And if we go back to the video here and click on subtitles again, you'll see that you only have one version of subtitles there. So that's all you need. You're all set.